let's go get the keys to my new apartment. I'm here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the view, privacy reasons, but what you see behind me is basically my living room and my dining room area. That is my living room area, and over here I have my dining room area. So that's where I'm gonna put like my dining room, I don't know. So I'm gonna put like my couch over there, my table right here, to like see the view each morning. This is so cute. I have a beautiful view. It's amazing. I love it. I'm sorry I'm not gonna show you because Panama is this size and people can know where I live very quickly, so don't want that. We walk into the kitchen. I'm in my kitchen. This is basically my kitchen. So my stove, my cabinets, but this is what you see when you walk into my kitchen. I have a huge window right here, so I'm gonna film a lot of things in my kitchen. I cannot wait, but this is how it looks. Let's go to here. I have my washer and dryer. So I have the dryer over here and down here is the washer. So it's kind of a two-in-one kind of thing. So I have this space to do my laundry and it's right next to the kitchen. So kitchen, laundry. And I'm gonna put a cabinet over here. I have a space here. I'm gonna put a cabinet because I don't have a lot of space over here to put like my microwave, etc. So I bought a cabinet to put everything in there. But that's that. Let's go to the bedrooms because I have two bedrooms and two bedrooms and two bathrooms. So when you walk into the living room, I have two doors over here. So over here I have one bedroom and over here I have another one. And in the middle I have my bathroom, my guest bathroom. So it's a really nice bathroom in my opinion. I love it so much. Straight to the left is my bedroom, so it's the master bedroom with its own bathroom. I have a huge window here. My bathroom, it's my main bathroom. I'm not in love with the tiles of the bathroom, but I don't care. It's beautiful either way. The other bedroom is gonna be my office space. So I also have a huge window on my right. Okay, this is the office space. You're gonna see how it turns out, but I have a huge window that I love. I'm gonna be working here. I have somewhere to look at. So you guys, that is my empty apartment tour. I have a kitchen, a living room / dining room area, two bedrooms, two bathrooms, and a balcony that I love. Let's go to the moving in part because it's gonna be a crazy moving day.
From a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you.
Hi guys, sorry for the echo. It's gonna be echoey in here for a while because I don't have furniture. So I'm going to be like slowly showing you what I got. Basically doing unboxings, little hauls of everything. And we are going to be kind of organizing my kitchen, so I'm going to try to organize it as much as I can. And like put all my plates, put all the things that I bought for my kitchen. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I have a bunch of bags on the floor of my apartment, so let's get to unboxing. So I have a few boxes right here. Those are my plates, and yeah, basically my plates. Okay, so another thing, if you live in Panama, and basically all the things that I got are from local businesses, so I'm really sorry if you wanted to get any of these things, but I am going to tell you which things are from where. So if you're wondering, I got all my plates from Alice. So all my plates have this design. It's kind of like a white with little speckles, like small speckles all over the design. Look at my plates. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I bought 4 of each, so I have 4 of each except the coffee cups. Okay, so these are my bowls. And lastly, I have my big plates that are not the same design. They didn't have the same design as the other ones, but I got a really similar design and I love the shape of the plate. So these are all the plates that I got. So I got bigger ones than the other size, kind of medium, smaller size, like bowls, and my coffee cups. And I also got my forks, my spoons. So I have these cabinets here where I'm gonna put all my plates. I'm not cleaning them yet. I'm just going to put them there because I need to make space. So. Okay, so now we are in the living room area, and these are some of the things that I have here. A lot of bags with stuff in them, so I need to start unpacking them.
Into the place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face. your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was like a job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She'd keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo. Why'd you have to go and set the bar so high? It's 2020 when nobody stars are crossing right, and we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, and I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo.
Okay, hi guys. I don't remember the last time I filmed, so I don't know what I was doing before this, what I was saying. So yeah, I'm going to give you a little tour of my kitchen because I kind of finished. I would say I finished like organizing my kitchen and everything. I am going to do like a full apartment tour, but I thought it would be fun to do a mini tour. So basically, let's back up. Here's my kitchen. So basically a walk-in kitchen. So to give you kind of like an overview, this first wall is basically the entire kitchen. Basically, that is my stove. I have my cabinets at the top. Also, I have cabinets at the bottom, and when you turn around, you find my fridge. And then I actually put this drawer thingy, I don't know what you call this, to put my appliances because I didn't have space, so I kind of got this one. And I have a little space with my trash can, little spot for my dog, cleaning tools, microwave, air fryer, toaster. I have my sink. This is where I clean my plates and everything. At the top, I have all of my plates, mugs, and all that stuff. I'm not going to share every single detail of the kitchen because that's going to be in the separate apartment tour. So this is just an overview. I do my coffee with that thing that I don't know how it's called. And when you keep walking, you find my washer and dryer, which my dryer doesn't work. I have to get it fixed, but my washer does work, but my dryer doesn't. But yeah, I have my pads for my dog. I did a horrible job at this, so sorry. Okay, so that is basically my kitchen. I am very happy with it. Sorry if I didn't show it properly. I am trying to figure out how you do this. So this is the tour.
No corks and bottles ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.